guys, I'm Rachel at the Feed and today we're in the kitchen with Ghirardelli and I'm gonna make some peanut butter Rice Krispie s'mores. These are like the best summer dessert you can ever have and they're super easy to make, so let's get started. In a hot pan, I'm going to add some butter and let that melt away. Once the butter has melted, go ahead and add your marshmallows and start stirring continuously. Once the marshmallows have completely melted, add your peanut butter and mix that all in. Next, add your Rice Krispies, cereal, and mix really fast. Now quickly transfer onto a parchment lined sheet pan. Just take a spatula and flatten this down into like an even layer. It's going to take a little bit of muscle and work fast because this cools pretty quickly and we want to get it into shape before it sets. All right, now that it's even in a pan, we're going to let this set for about 45 minutes to an hour and then we're gonna cut it up. So once we have cut up our Rice Krispies into little perfect squares, I've gone ahead and laid them out on a sheet pan. And now we're gonna start building, which is honestly my most favorite part. And it's very, very easy, you'll see. So I have my marshmallows here. I like adding 2 because that's just kind of like the perfect ratio and kind of fits well as well. But you know, if you wanna add 3 or just 1, do whatever your heart desires. And I am using a blowtorch today, but you could totally just broil this under the broiler in your oven and they will get nice and toasty and charred. But we're gonna do this. Be safe. Once the marshmallows are nice and toasty, go ahead and place a Ghirardelli square right on top of each s'more. And that's it, you guys. This is how you make a peanut butter Rice Krispie s'more with a milk chocolate and caramel Ghirardelli square. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time. Oh, and if you want the recipe, go to thefeedfeed.com.